Good morning and welcome back, friends. Hope you are doing well. Thank you for watching this video. If you find my videos helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And please do watch complete video. Watching complete video will help you better understand the market moves in coming days. In the previous week analysis, I have mentioned about 18,250 as a support for Nifty and also indicated a move to 18,500 and then fall to 18,000 levels. For Bank Nifty also, I have mentioned 43,500 to 43,800 acting as a resistance in my previous week analysis. Here is a quick recap of the previous week analysis. Any support at 18,250 levels, it might actually go back to this 18,400, 500 levels, and then it might fall back to 18,100, 18,000 levels. With Bank Nifty, to trade in this range, that is between 42,000 and 44,000. 43,500 to 43,800 levels can act as a good resistance level. As expected, Nifty moved up from 18,250 levels on Monday morning and then crashed from 18,500, 18,470 levels back to 18,000 and below levels starting Wednesday. Bank Nifty also found resistance near 43,600 levels and from there crashed to 41,600 levels as indicated in the chart. I'm really glad that our previous week analysis and predictions worked well one more time. And here is a link to previous video if you want to have a quick look. The next week, which is also the monthly expiry week, let's analyze and identify the support resistance levels and potential range for the monthly expiry. Here is the Nifty chart. On the chart, observe the important support and resistance levels marked. Last week, Nifty failed to cross above 18,500 levels and crashed to 17,800 levels. Going forward, I am expecting 18,500 levels to act as a strong resistance. Also with this, I am expecting 18,200 to 18,000 levels act as an intermediate resistance level. That is this area between 18,000 and 18,200. And on the downside, it may be difficult to predict the exact support levels. However, we can use some tools to identify these levels. First, we'll observe the gaps in the previous up move from 16,800 levels to 18,900 levels in daily chart. As you can see here, there are two major gaps. As you can see here, there are two major gaps. One is near 17,300, 400 levels, and the other one is 17,800 and 900 levels. Gap near this 17,800 and 900 is now almost covered with this candle. However, 17,300, 17,400 gap yet to be covered. Let's also use few other tools like Fibonacci retracements and extensions to predict potential support and resistance levels. If we look at the retracements of the move 16,747 to 18,888, 50% is around 17,800 and 62% is around 17,600 or 17,560. And if we observe the Fibonacci extensions of the current fall, that is from this 18,800 to here, and then retracement back to 18,700 levels, observing this fall, right? So and if you see the extensions, so almost 162% of the extension is near 17,800, 200% is around 17,600, and finally 262% is around 17,277 or near 17,300 we can say. Using these three tools, gap analysis, Fibonacci retracement and extensions, key levels to watch on the downside are 17,800, 17,600, 17,400 and 17,300. Now let's look at the open interest of December month expiry. We can see 18,000, 18,100 and 18,200 having good open interest on the call side, And on the downside, we see 17,800, 17,500 having good open interest build up. We can also see some put open interest near 18,000 and 18,200 strikes. These could be struck positions waiting for a bounce to clear their positions. Okay, now based on the open interest, what we can say is, so 17,800 to 17,500 levels could act as a good support level, and 18,000 and 18,200 levels can act as a good resistance levels. In combining open interest and chart analysis, here is what I am expecting. Observe on Monday whether Nifty holds 17,800 levels or not. If it holds 17,800 levels, a move to 18,000 and 18,200 possible, and from there it might correct a bit. If it fails to hold 17,800 levels on Monday, it can actually go to 17,600, 17,400 levels. Overall, I am expecting Nifty to trade between 17,400 and 18,200 levels for the upcoming week. Let's analyze Bank Nifty now. Let's see chart, open interest, and identify support, resistance levels, and potential range for the upcoming week. This is the Bank Nifty chart. Observe the important support and resistance levels that we have marked already. Last week, Bank Nifty crashed from 43,600 levels, and I am expecting 43,500 to 43,600 level to act as a strong resistance for the next week. Along with this, I am also expecting 42,200 to 42,700 levels act as an intermediate resistance. That is this area. So this area can act as an intermediate resistance, and this area is a strong resistance. And similar to Nifty, if we use the three tools that we have used, gap analysis, Fibonacci retracements and extensions to understand the downside targets or the supports on the downside, up move from 37,400 levels to 44,150 levels on the daily chart, we don't see major gaps. And also if we observe, 38% of the retracement of this move is around 41,600 levels, and 50% of the move is around 40,800, and similarly 62% of the move is around 40,000. So these are the retracements of the larger move. And if we observe Fibonacci extensions of the current fall, that is this fall, and then the retracements and the extension of this fall now, we can see 162% is around 41,700 levels, and similarly 200% is around 41,200, and 262% is around 40,500 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty open interest for December month expiry. We can see 42,000, 42,500 and 43,000 calls have significant open interest, and on the put side we see 41,500, 41,000 put have good open interest build up. We can also see some put open interest near 42,000, and again similar to Nifty, these could be some struck positions waiting for a bounce to clear those positions. Based on this open interest, we can say 41,500 to 41,000 could be support area, and on the higher side 42,000 to 42,500 could act as a resistance or the key levels to watch. And combining the chart analysis and open interest analysis, here is what I am expecting for Bank Nifty. Observe on Monday whether 41,500, 41,700 levels holds or not. If it holds, a move towards 42,200, 42,700 is possible. And if it fails to hold this level 41,500, Bank Nifty can move down towards 40,800 levels. Overall, I am expecting Bank Nifty to trade in this range 40,800 to 42,700 for the upcoming week. That's it friends, we reached to the end of the analysis. I have presented both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Also, it takes a lot of time and effort to analyze, prepare, and present these views and analysis. I request your support to make more such videos in future. Request you to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so this analysis can reach to larger audience. Thank you. Bye for now. We'll come back with another YouTube video soon.